guys, I'm Grace and I hope you're all having a great day. I have an unboxing video today and this is my first YouTube video because I bought a lot of new bags lately and I wanted to share them with fellow bag lovers and to help anybody out that's considering a bag, because I found these videos extremely helpful when I was considering buying a bag. So let's get started. Here's the return label. I bought this online and it's very convenient because you can do free returns within 30 days. This is the Boite Chapeau Souple. It's the smaller size that they came out with this year and in the Damier Azur print. This bag comes in the classic monogram pattern as well. I actually bought that one first but returned it to try this one because I feel like this bag is more of a casual bag because of the shape, and I wanted the color to add to that light and casual feel. I'm really liking this combination so far. This bag is very structured, so you won't have any problems with slouchiness over time. I also love that it's canvas. Louis Vuitton canvas is one of the most durable materials you can find in a bag. The strap is vachetta though, which will darken over time. I don't really like that, so I'll be spraying it with a protector like Apple Guard or something. This bag is very lightweight, so it won't burden you on long walks or anything. And the strap is pretty thick, so it's gonna be comfortable on your shoulder, and I love that it has slits all over the band, which means the length of the drop is very flexible. Now let's try to open the bag. I'm just gonna get closer. Immediately I can tell this bag is going to be kind of hard to get into because this zipper only covers half the circle and the opening is pretty tight, so I have to pull really hard to see what's inside. On the inside there is a tag, there is one pocket. The tag says Louis Vuitton made in France. And because the bag is so hard to reach into, I don't think I will be using the pocket much. There is the authentication documents. So this bag is made, the inside is a beige microfiber. I think it'll be prone to getting dirty, so I'm gonna have to be careful. Let's try putting some stuff inside it. The first is a pocket organizer from Louis Vuitton. This is one of my favorite small leather goods because it's so durable and it fits a lot more than you think. I also love the classic monogram pattern. This is gonna go in no problem. Next, let's put a mini pochette. This I got maybe 1 or 2 years ago in the boutique, and I felt so lucky to have bumped into this because it's one of my favorite illustrations on their products ever. You can put lipsticks, lip balms, a compact, tissues, or anything else you want in here to prevent your bag from getting dirty. And this is a good size comparison. You can see that the diameter of the bag is about the same as the length of the mini pochette. Oh, well, it does fit barely, so I would say the mini pochette is about the maximum size of something that you can put in here. It's in at an angle like this. Next, let's put in this round coin purse. I think you can tell that I really like classic Louis Vuitton products with illustration. This one I got on Poshmark. It is brand new though, and I had to pay premium for it, but that's okay because it's very rare and I just love the color combination. You can put your keys on this and put it inside the pouch to prevent the inside of your bag from getting scratched. This is also going to go in, no problem. Next, let's put in something else that's a little bit bigger. This is a medium-sized wallet. It's a purple empreinte zippy wallet, and I got this many years ago. You can think of it as an agenda or sunglasses or anything else the size that you want to put in it. It's about the same length as the mini pochette. Also, one thing to consider is every time you push something in, you are bending the sides of the bag. I think that could easily make the edge dirty. So if this is something that bothers you, you might consider getting a different color, the darker monogram color. I have plenty of dark bags though, so I can deal with this. Again, this is barely fitting. The edge is almost coming out. This is also in at an angle like this. Let's try to put one more thing in, but so right now if I wanted to reach in and grab that first thing, the pocket organizer that I put in, it's going to be very difficult, if possible at all. Nope, it's very difficult. So I would suggest only putting the first 3 things in there. Next, I have a card holder. This is from Burberry. I also got this many years ago. It's of a decent thickness. Let's try. There is space in here, but you just have to fiddle around with everything to make sure that this fits. Again, I wouldn't suggest putting anything with delicate leather in here because it might get scratched by the zippers. Like my hand is getting scratched constantly every time I put something in. Struggling a lot here, but it does fit. So you see here, everything fit inside. It's pretty much at capacity, but I wouldn't recommend putting this many things in there because you will not be able to look for whatever it is you're looking for if it's not at the very edge. With struggles, I am able to close the bag, buckle it. Next, I'll be doing some mod shots with this bag in different types of outfits, so you can see how this looks. Oh, and I'm very petite. I'm only 5 feet with a pretty small frame, so keep that in mind.